are we now?
We are in Brunei!
No coordination!
Brunei!
Hello there, my name is Jelly and welcome back to another vlog. Let's take about 5 seconds to acquaint yourself with my two other travelling buddies for this series of Brunei travel vlogs, Elwina and Mr. P.
I've been out of my head, can't get out of bed. Too much on my brain, but got it good, can't complain. It's like I'm losing my mind, and time's hard to find. What's a girl gotta do to catch a break?
It's raining. So, Elwina, how do you feel after a good nap? Please refer to video. So because it's raining, we're sitting in the car. I can see the mosque.
Eventually,
Omar Ali Saifuddien Mosque is a mosque in Bandar Seri Begawan, the capital of Brunei. It is one of the country's two national mosques, as well as a national landmark. This is one of the largest and oldest mosques in the country and is named after Omar Ali Saifuddin III, the 28th Sultan of Brunei and the late father of the current monarch, Sultan Hassanil Bolkiah. Saifuddin was regarded as one of the greatest men in the history of Bruneian Empire. The mosque took almost 5 years to build and cost more than £1 million at that time. The mosque is about 69 by 26 meters and can accommodate 3,000 worshippers. The minarets are made of white marble and capped by golden domes. The largest minaret reaches 52 meters, making the mosque the tallest structure in the capital. There is even a law that prevents any construction taller than the mosque, ensuring its status as the city's tallest structure, visible from across the Brunei River in Kampong Ayer and around the capital. The most distinguishing trait is its large rounded dome made of pure gold. Its bright color and reflective nature were used so that locals could orient themselves to it with ease. The Saifuddin Mosque is an architectural marvel because of its combination of styles. It is a mixture of influences ranging from that of the Mughal Empire, the same style used in the Taj Mahal, to that of Italian Renaissance. The mosque sits on a 5-acre site and almost surrounded by a man-made lagoon. In the middle of the lagoon sits an artificial barge called Maligai, which is meant to resemble a ship of Sultan Bolkiah who reigned in the 16th century. We are going in. We need to wear a robe first.
Oh yes.
The interior was put together like a puzzle, with pieces from around the world. The floors and columns were built of marble from Italy and the chandeliers made in England, granite from Shanghai and Axminster carpets handmade from Belgium and Saudi Arabia. Looks very gloomy today because it just rained. Kampong Ayer, translated from Malay to English, means water village. It is Brunei's most treasured piece of living history and is the largest water village in the world, home to over 10,000 residents. Founded over a millennium ago, Kampong Ayer is entirely built on stilts and connected by a wooden boardwalk. The boardwalk's total length measures over 38 kilometers, fully connecting the entire village. The village maintains other public services such as primary and secondary schools, a hospital, a police and fire station, gyms and mosques. Kampong Ayer was the primary port of the Bruneian Empire during its height. It then became the capital of the empire for multiple centuries between the 15th to the 18th century. Home to all levels of the society, from royalty to poverty. In the mid-20th century, over half of Brunei's population still live in Kampong Ayer. Today, Kampong Ayer represents only 3% of the entire country's population. As the world modernizes, many Bruneians desire a modern lifestyle. A significant percentage of the youth continues to move to the land side for a better career and social opportunities. So you see these speedboats. These speedboats, they will go to many of these pick-up drop-off points. This is one of the jetty stops where the speedboat will come pick you up if you want to get to somewhere on the Kampong. This is Mahkota Jubli Emas Park. And we are going in. It's just right behind the mosque.
Wake up in the morning, your thoughts are running wild. Breathe deep, relax your mind. Another bruising memory is knocking at the door. Say no, leave it behind.
It was very well manicured. Very clean. Spacious.
Gotta chase those blues away. It's a bright sunny day.
The view from the Jubli Park. So nice. Except that it's a bit grey because of the weather. But still nice. The gardener did a good job. Looks good. Very pristine.
This game has just been won. There's no grey in the sky and no clouds up.
There's a pretty good view of everything. You can even see the Kampong Ayer from here. So, Elwina, how do you feel?
Tired.
吃饱了睡，睡饱了吃。
I cannot think. No comments.
We're in their market. So it's literally, I think it's a combination of wet and dry market. Let me show you. Gadong Night Market is by far the largest market in the country and draws loads of locals and travellers each night of the year. Go to the market with an empty stomach, cash in pocket, because vendors do not accept payment via card. Because Brunei is not a common place to visit amongst foreigners, the market maintains a local feel.
Sunny days can make you feel good. It's time to have a...
Vendors are honest with their prices and not pushy in sales. There is no need to bring your haggling or bargaining skills either, because F&B prices are standard and written clearly on signages and menus.
Knocking at the door. Say no, leave it behind.
The market is divided by 4 long rows of vendor stalls. The stalls are organized by meals, snacks, fruits and vegetables, desserts, drinks, and sometimes a store or two selling clothing. Meal options include a variety of rice, noodle dishes, soups, stir-fry, fish and satay. There are multiple stalls where you can pick your own style of noodles or rice and pair it with a choice of meat.
Has just begun. You gotta move your body, keep thinking victory. This game has just been won. There's no gray in the
To eat, Elwina?
Don't know. Let's see.
Burger, jumbo burger, $2.
Burger, I'm not trying a burger. Mine a burger.
Yeah, all these burgers are $5 each.
Our first purchase.
We got bihun.
Enjoy the sunshine. Look for the
Satay. Burger, chicken burger, noodles, satay. Three more slices, $2 nice.
Yeah.
Wow. 料很高。
Yum, yum, yum.
Jame Asr Hassanil Bolkiah Mosque is named after Hassanil Bolkiah, the 29th and current Sultan of Brunei. It is one of the two state mosques, the other being Omar Ali Saifuddien Mosque. This mosque is the largest mosque in the country and can accommodate 5,000 worshippers at a time. It sits in the middle of a 20-acre parking lot, enclosed by a decorative gate. There are 29 golden domes, a tribute to Sultan Bolkiah and his 28 predecessors. The 4 large minarets reach a height of 58 meters and are decorated in blue and white tiles, topped by golden domes. There are many fountains around the mosque perimeter, including the large one built of marble as you enter the gate. There is a grand regal staircase that sets a classy mood as you enter the mosque. Unfortunately, when we went to visit, we were told that we weren't allowed to enter the mosque, so we weren't able to view its famed beautiful interior. The exterior is beautifully lit in the evenings and nights, illuminated in yellow and golds, making it stand out from kilometers away. In fact, that was what caught my eye when we were driving around the city one day. What do you feel about this mosque?
It's opulent, luxurious, way more modern than yesterday's mosque. But we can't enter. That's the unfortunate thing.
Yeah.
You say that good things take time, and so they do,